Hi, welcome to CK English Literature Lectures. Today we are going to learn about Commonwealth literature, A.D. Hope, Australia. A.D. Hope is an Australian poet, essayist. He is known for his satirical slang. He was also a critic, teacher, and academic. He was referred in an American journal as the 20th century's greatest poet. In the poem Australia, A.D. Hope questions whether Australia is actually civilized. In the first five stanzas, he talks about Australia. He describes how it is both new and old country, geologically old but politically new, and how it is both a European colony and independent but parasitical country. The next two stanzas talk about the wilderness of Australia. Australia country is filled with migrated people, mostly they are dependent people. Government take care of everyone. The author convey what they were actually. The poem gives negative perception and affected life of Australia. It reflected the lack of individualism and spiritual poverty. The term nature was desolated in Australia. The poet describes Australia as being a nation of trees, drab green, desolate grey, that darken her hills. The images, nation of trees, drab green, and desolate grey, that indicate Australia is monotonous and dreary place. The poem has 7 stanzas. Each stanza have 4 lines. The rhyme scheme is A B B A. There is little enjambment exists in the poem. Most stanzas stand alone and paragraphed. He uses imaginary to convey meaning. He uses alliteration to convey images, dark green and desolated grey. He uses metaphor to convey reality of Australia that have human qualities about abstract idea. He says Australian people doesn't care about the country, they care about their faces only. They did not care about inner heart. The author compared about the character as Sphinx. Sphinx is the figure of Egyptian myth. It possessed the body of lion, head of man, ram or hawk. Sphinx is always seen as creature of great wisdom. This comparison is directly related to the author's vision of Australia. The comparison is a woman beyond her change in life, breast still tender, but within the womb is dry. He criticized Australian society and country itself. These lines refers to Australia is empty, inability to bear fruitful children of change, being infertile, a change of life. Australia is portrayed as a country that is nothing at all, where there are monotonous tribes from Cairns to Perth, there is only flow of stupidity. He compared the 5 main cities as 5 teeming sores. They are Melbourne, Sydney, Perth, Canberra, Adelaide. The author called the Australian people as young, but it ironically conveys their immaturity. He points out vulnerability of land and the theme of rebellion. These people do not have their own identity. They were like parasites which dependent on others. They themselves called civilized people, but there is no civilization. The poet criticizes about the people, their ethics, empty land, nature, lifestyle, which lacks cultural identity. He stands on the side of Australia and considered to be cultured apes. People believe false conviction of being materialistic, unconscious person is real and mature. People have no reality. They lost individuality and uniqueness. A.D. Hope not only concerns about Australia, but he also concerns about the whole world. Australia, once the land of trees, but today it is full of war and soldiers. The hills are dark and broken like statue of Egypt. The lands now covered by the military uniform, that way he says grey and green. The poet is hopeful. He ends the poem with positive note. He says some prophet will come from Australian ground who would claim freedom, rights to liberate and Australian culture from the colonizer. He is waiting for the prophet would come and tell something good about Australia. This is a summary of the poem Australia. Hope you have learned well. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.